I'm really hungry. I didn't eat anything today. I need something to eat.
Maybe a burger? Yeah. And a juice? Something simple.
Okay, let's go. It's a nice day. The weather feels good.
Not too hot, not too cold. I like days like this.
I'm almost there.
Hey! My bag! Hey! Stop! No! My bag! He took my bag! Oh no. My money, my phone, everything is inside. What do I do now? Okay, calm down. I need help. Maybe the police. Excuse me, please. Someone took my bag. He ran that way. I don't know what to do. Can you help me?
Hi.
Someone took my bag. Everything is inside. He ran that way. Please help me.
Okay, stay calm. We will help you. Lucy,
Yeah.
we found your bag.
Oh my God. Everything is here. Thank you so much. I'm okay now. That was scary.
Hi, I'd like a burger. A chicken burger, please.
Okay,
And an orange juice.
got it.
That's it.
Finally. This looks really good.
This is really good. I needed this. Now I feel better. Hi, I want to pay. Here you go. Thank you. That was a strange day, but I'm okay now. Let's go home.